Hello everyone. Let's learn how to count the number of digits of a given number. For this, we will take an input from user, a number from user, and we will count the number of digits in the number. So let's see the sample output. We will give a message to the user, enter a number. When the user gives the number, we have to display the number of digits present in the number. Okay, so we will just enter the number here, like if the number is entered 7896. Okay, so the output should come like this: the number of digits in 7896, that is 7896, are 4. So let's write the code for the program. Let's open any old program. We'll copy some lines from the beginning. Okay, after copying these lines, we will make modifications such as changing the class name, changing the variable name, the number of variables required. Let's keep the class name NOD, that is number of digit. The message has to be changed. Let's keep the message enter a number. Okay, and the variable, that is num. Then after, with the help of next int, we will take input and we will store the value in num. Next variable that we need to have to calculate and store the number of digit. Okay, so that we will store in count. Let's keep the initial value of the count variable 0. Now we will run a while loop. We will run a loop where the loop will be executed till the number is not 0, means till the number is greater than 0. Okay, what we have to do for calculating the number of digits, we have two steps. The first step is what? We have to divide the number by 10. Okay, the number will be divided by 10 and the division will be stored in the number itself. Okay, then after we have to use count plus plus or plus plus count, so that the count variable will increase by 1. In this way we will calculate the digits. Then after, and when the number becomes 0, then what will happen? The loop will be closed. Now what we have to do, I'm going to declare one more variable because we need to have the value of the variable that we have got as an input. So for that I'm going to take another variable, okay, and that I will store in n. So let's put the message, the number of digits in. Then after that we will put concatenation operator. Let's give a space, then write the value of the number that is stored in the n, and then where the number of digits are stored. The number of digits are stored in count variable. So we will write, after putting the concatenation sign, again count, that is count. Okay, after giving this message we are going to put semicolon. We will close the main function, then we will close class. After the closing of class, let's go to file and save option. Let's save the program. Let's give the name to the program node.java. Save as type all files, save. Okay, let's do compilation and execution of the program. Let's go to F drive. Let's type here cd space java programs, the name of the folder where the programs are stored. Okay, now we will type javac node.java. The compilation is done. After the compilation of the program, we will write java space program name, enter a number. Let's put a number here, 783644. The number of digits are 6. Let's execute it once more. Enter the number, that is 698. The number of digits are 3. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.